Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a way to keep your face truly clear?
This facial acne bar by Truly Clear will definitely help you. My son and I have both been using it, and I am really impressed with how well it does. This is a small breakout my son had on his forehead, and not super bad, but definitely a red spot. But if you notice here, it is almost all healed up. That was just a couple days. He also had some breakouts on his nose, and a couple days later, after using this, you can see so much better. So not only has it really helped with his acne, but I have noticed a huge difference in the amount of blackheads that he has. I was really impressed with how smooth my skin feels after I use this. It has a really nice mint smell to it that's not overwhelming, but it's definitely refreshing. I also like that it's in bar form, so if you have body acne on your back or something, it makes it really easy to put this on a washcloth and get all of that acne covered as well. I've been really impressed with this. My skin is smooth. My son's acne is clearing up and his blackheads are clear. If you're looking for something that will really help clear up your face, I feel like this has really worked well for us.
And that's my point of view.